Hey guys, today we're going to change the side mirror on this 2006 Ford Focus. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the algorithm, really helps out a lot. First thing to do is to remove this piece right here. So you basically just kind of hit it backwards like this, or kind of like pry out and pull back. So I already got it done in here. But you can see there's a clip right here, and then there's two clips right here that you need to move to get that done. So next we're going to come down here and take out this screw right here, and then I'll have to remove some of this so we can see what's going on in here. Alright, so right in here is a 10mm screw. I don't know if you can see that or not. You can see it right there. So you take out that 10mm screw, and then the mirror will pretty much, if it hasn't been taken off before, you might need to pull a little bit. There's some foam in here that usually sticks. There's also usually foam right here that you need to peel back. But then you'll just unhook this plug right here, and you'll be able to pull that plug through the hole here, and you'll be able to take the old mirror right off. Then you can stick your new one on and put it back together the way you took this one off. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the algorithm, and thank you for watching.